had to solder in order to actually get it to work.
Jeez.
We're about to do Steven's about to do an oil change in his own car.
Old oil filters at?
You throw them away.
Is there like a special container for them?
Right here.
Oh, you just put them in there.
Oh.
Do what happened to the rest of your front bumper?
That's great, dude. I tell you, when I'm telling you I'm low, it's because I'm low.
I like that your shocks have gone out.
Yep.
Because he has like...
It's gonna be 18. You're probably putting it wrong.
It's a fat nut you got there.
Size on there.
Oh, here we go.
Wait.
Hopefully that bolt is not rusted.
It's too big. You better run that out. Oh. There, 17.
I told you were putting it wrong. Oh no, that oil.
Hey, Steve, you're tracking shit everywhere.
Oh, can I get a...
Come on, man.
Oh,
You go to the gym for something. Oh, watch out. That's just gonna splash.
Why do I feel like I'm making it tighter?
Nah, you good. I thought he was getting something to clean off the thing. He's just chilling.
Am I doing it the right way? Because I feel like it's just getting tighter.
Everything's just getting rusted on this car.
I think you're loosening it.
Yeah, I think you're good, man.
It's just super tight. It's this way, right? Loosey, lefty, righty, tighty.
Righty, tight, lefty, loosey, yeah. Wait, what do you mean it's Fortnite skin?
So if you have Amazon Prime, you get Twitch Prime, and with Twitch Prime, you get the free Fortnite skin. The one that he has, the cool camo thing.
Oh, what? On my way.
I want the Dreadnought one. What? Like the Tron looking spaceman suit.
I like that one. The red.
The
red.
The dark
I thought it was black and
Voyager?
orange. Yeah, Dark Voyager. Yeah, I like
Oh yeah,
that.
it looks like it's like fire or something going around him.
So we're gonna go wash our cars, gonna go eat McDonald's, and gonna go play Fortnite at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm.
Except Alex, he's a faggot.
What do you mean?
He's like,
Kill
"Kick you."
yourself. Dude, I remember we had like stuff for Keevan to give him. I'm like, Keevan, come here, we got stuff for you. This man just kept running away. He was like,
Oh, yeah, because he was on the
goes
phone.
down.
I was on the phone, I couldn't hear
Oh.
you guys.
And then he goes down, Steven, and we're just like, oh, we didn't see anything.
There was that one time we went to Twin Towers, and I think it was me and Israel on one building, and you two in the other building. You guys kept getting killed.
Oh yeah, it was tragic.
And then we had to come, and then we got killed.
I suck at that game though.
Really? I mean,
Like I could be full health and full shield and still die one shot against a guy who's at like 50% health.
I'm gonna replace the filter. Fuck. Chill, you really.
You're about to smack the fuck out of Steven.
You won't go in.
That's what she said, fam.
You chill with that.
Not to you though.
Where's my oil filter? It's been
So what's the
3,000
setup, fam? What's the setup on this?
Setup. We got
14 inch.
It's a 14 inch. It's a 185 by 65 Goodyear tires. Got them for the low. The guy I know, Super Walmart, got them $30 each tire.
Holy
I got
shit.
a better idea. No, that didn't work.
Boy, what are you doing?
You literally just have to put it back and go like this.
Just do it faster, fam.
It's getting tighter. This is good. Oh,
It's getting tighter.
yeah, it's perfect.
Hey, just. All right.
A little bit more.
Oh, drop. Goes inside the bench.
Car, increase horsepower.
You said it was 3.8, right?
Keeping you have a sink.
Huh?
Yeah, it's like down there.
Unless it's
You're gonna die when you go in there, man.
It's dirty as fuck.
The dirtiest place in here.
You might as well wash your hands once you wash your car.
You said the bathroom was the dirtiest place?
Yeah,
I believe it.
it's a bunch of oil everywhere.
I was just saying, there's just a bunch of dudes that use it.
Oh no, not because of that. Just like mechanics shop. So they can't even use their.
Instead of washing your hands with water, it's just oil.
Hey, use a gallon of soap that's in the sink. Just pour that on your hands. The gallon of soap that's in the sink.
You might as well
just
help
pour
him
that on
out
your
with the hands. Help him wash his hands.
Okay.
Are you done? Or are you finished?
I feel like he's probably.
Oh, you're good. Are you done?
Yeah.
Alright. Is this yours or his? This was his?
Oh, no, that's mine. What the fuck you mean? That's mine.
Okay, that's not yours.
Yes, it is. I bought that one.
Yo, Kevin, is this yours? Okay.
Exactly.
You want me to just put it here? So we're going to some racer adventures at AutoZone. It's cold. Yo, it's so much nicer on Sunday than today. Oh, this guy's. Oh!
Fuck you! You said it was you. You stuck it out like that.
So we're cleaning our cars right now. Right now, he's cleaning his.
That's so sorry.
Looks like an elephant.
Israel, can you get in my car? You can rent Alex's car too?
Yeah. Driving a Honda for the first time. Here we go. So, there's a trick. I'll drive it. I got you. I got you. I'll move it up. All right, here we go. Driving an automatic for the first time. First gear. Okay. Oh shit! 100 emoji because he's going to the Marines.
Yeah.
This might be the last thing we're able to see him.
No, I'm heading out September 17th. I thought you guys had the same hat.
What up? What up?
What's up?
All right, yo, Kevin, I told you I had 2 helpers for you.
What?
From 7-Eleven.
Am I getting paid? Nah, fam.
7-Eleven helpers.
I'm getting paid, then hell sí, yeah. Señor. Hey, señor. Se no me sacó dinero.
Nice recording.
Hey.
Hey, rev it. Go.
Hey, sounds pretty loud for when we're stopped. Sounds pretty loud. I mean, compared to this.
I will compare to the Prius.
Hell yeah.
It's like Prius. So.
Dude, I'm hungry. Thank God we're going to
I have a habit of taking all your microfiber towels regardless.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Oh, I've been a little bitch.
Alright, we'll meet at
Yeah, I said that already.
Nice type R.
We're the Eric Bros.
Eric Bros.
We're like the Hispanic version of Mario Bros.
Somehow, we got the same name, and we're both Hispanic.
Yo, we're both Salvadoreños.
Salvadoreños too. Salvadoreños.
And we got a big black truck. Well, at least I got the big black truck.
Big black boom
Which
boom.
reminds me, I gotta fucking put gas in here.
Oh shit, still recording. No. WRX STI. If you open it, you have a Subi here. Look at it. So nice. Oh, and here's Franklin for you. You know, a toothbrush. I mean, pretty simple shit. This shit is the bomb though. I used to eat this shit with everything. Let's go. Look at this big head ass.
Oh, dude, this is a fucking spot right there.
Right, dude.
Yo no sé qué tal.
Oh, sorry.
Me den permiso porque voy a traer la soda. Denle permiso porque voy a traer la soda.
¿Por qué no abre los ojos?
See, I don't have to speak Spanish to
That is so
understand
dope,
that.
man.
Yeah. See, look, right here, I got my permit.
Wait, how much was it?
My permit, like $10. my
Where at?
citizenship, which is Amazon.
Citizenship.
Yeah.
Wait.
My insurance card. I mean,
Amazon, you said?
What, the rap thing?
Citizenship, you said.
Oh, from Amazon.
citizenship.
It's upside down. I'm just kidding. What's it called?
What you mean, winter weather?
What the fuck is? Oh, what the hell?
Oh, that was when he got fucked up. You, him, and Eric.
Yeah, dude, I was enjoying that day. And then this man decides to fall, and then I had to fall.
Look at this man's FaceTiming in the middle of the night.
Because I remember, because I sent him a message. I didn't realize it was little Eric, but he told me it was Megan. I'm being dead ass. You remember now? Yeah, see?
When you like your own cousin.
Wait. Wait, why do you only have the stash on me?
I mean, I just got to the shop. Keeman's doing his exhaust today. Let's see how it goes. So Keeman, what's the surprise you got for us today?
Finally gonna get loud, man. Finally get away from the stock exhaust.
All that, right? What you mean? This is not even the exhaust. Oh, it is. Oh no, that's not it. This is
Part
it.
of it.
Oh, it is?
Yep.
Oh, what did you get?
Video Gemini, my friend.
78 pounds, I see. How much is a stock one?
I don't know, really. Don't really care. I just want to sound good.
Alright. So, you know, everybody else is not here yet. They're probably not going to be here until we're almost done with it. So, which part do you want to take off first? Go turn it on. So, this is stock set. The fuck was that? Alright, stock sound. Here we go. Stock light. Alright, go. Alright, do it like 5K. You're good. Yeah. Alright, so that's stock. I guess we'll check with you guys once we're on our way to doing this. He got 5 horsepower out of this, dude. The NVIDIA sticker. Hang some.
Okay, but in order to remove the hanger,
No,
the hanger's obviously connected to something, which means you can remove the thing
It's
that's
a hole,
connected.
fam. That's
So you're
what it's
telling me this thing's just holding on by itself?
Yes.
Yes. How? There's gravity.
Kid, look, it has ends on it, so it
That's what I'm
won't.
telling you. You gotta remove those ends.
No, there is no. There's no other way. Like it's. You see this?
What are you
It's.
guys
It's.
bitching about? I don't know.
All right, I took the other one off. No, you don't need this one. You need the other two at the end.
Yeah, I know. Well, what are you
Well,
talking about?
can't you like remove the poles? These what are these things that are called from up there?
No, you can't remove that.
Oh,
You don't have anything.
to
They're
remove
hung onto the hangers. The hanger himself is what's holding onto the car. It's like literally welded onto the frame, so it won't.
Oh,
pop up.
okay, so that's what I was thinking. Yeah, you can
Watch
that
out,
it's
watch
like screwed on.
Okay, so look, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Look.
I repeat
Look,
to
you
this.
put this end right here, and
You
the
can
stop part.
just put it
onto
out
the
there
hole.
and then just.
Nigga, I can't reach. If I could do it, I would be doing it myself.
Only Keegan was taller.
Right, like this. You gotta push that fucking hanger out.
Pull this.
I might as well just take off a fucking bumper, you know?
That's what I was thinking of. Hey, Alex, let's just hang on to this and it'll fall down.
No, don't take the bumper off.
You gotta chill with that.
Come on, Alex, pick it up.
All right, you're gonna turn it on.
Yeah.
Go. Here you go. pops.
Shit, my turn. To with my car.
Well, all that
gas.
smells good. All right, time to put the new exhaust in.
That's kind of nice.
Yeah, you can get the professional picture I took.
NVIDIA Gen 9.
We're here, working on Keen's exhaust.
It's stupid.
So, here we go. The unboxing of the Keen's exhaust. Oh! A wild Mexican appeared.
I mean, that's one way to get them over here.
What?
Now we got this done so far.
Boy. You forgot to delete your history.
Everything's finally on. We just need to tighten everything down. You know, we did the work. We did the work.
Hey, I bought something, so.
What did you buy?
A shirt.
Shirt. What does it
Kid, I
say?
thought you bought something
spent
for.
$62 right now.
You could have bought it at McDonald's,
$62.
man.
The fuck?
And you broke.
Shit, I'm about to spend 800. Oh, dude, T86 give me a discount.
5%? Is that
Nah, it's $30 off.
it? Oh, GG
That's
fucking.
5% out of 800 anyway.
I don't think so. I did the math. It was like.
Yo, Kevin. Somebody can pay you back finally.
Eric's going to McDonald's.
Looks like Eric's paying for everybody.
Alright, I'll pay for your meal at McDonald's.
Finally all done. At least we hope.
It only took fucking school.
Here we go.
It's not even in the way, but okay.
I know, but when I get when we leave, huh? You don't let me start your car? No.
He wants to start it for the first time. Oh, you hear that? You hear that sound? You hear that? Nah, I'm just kidding. It's a Honda.
Hold on.
Come on. Go. Press on the gas. Oh, shit.
You know what? It sounds the same.
I don't.
Oh, well. No, I didn't. Oh, no, there you go.
Yeah, I
just
know.
weren't hitting
It's
it
for
enough.
highway. It's for highway. I don't want to be.
Now it sounds like a Z.
Alright, put on manual mode.
Chill. Alright, let me turn my car on. It's cold. I know, right? Yeah. Sounds way
No,
deeper.
you're listening to the Subi right now.
Okay.
Not wrong car.
Alright, are we going? Alright, Eric. Yeah. Here, little Eric, you can take it again on an adventure.
Alright, Eric, let's hear it.
Cop.
Bathroom Adventures, McDonald's.
It's like a kid. Just turn it on. Ooh. Sounds nice. Sounds. Alright, peace out. Yeah, we're cool, man. Alright, peace out to you. Go hard on the gym, Steven.